Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start our new chapter number 8, decimal. Okay, 7th chapter we have already finished. Now we will start our 8th chapter, decimals. Okay, everyone already learned in 4th and 5th class what is decimal and how do we add the decimal numbers. So before start the chapter, we will discuss some basics. Okay, so a brief introduction is given by me to look at. Suppose first we will learn what is the place values. Okay, place value. Okay, everyone know place value in 2nd and 3rd class we already learned. Suppose we write a number 231. Everyone know on the right side it is ones. What is the place value of 1? Ones. Place value of 3? Tens. Place value of 200. Place value of 2 is 100. What is meaning? It is meaning if everyone write expressed in this number. Okay, so how will write? We know what is the place value of 2 is 100. So 2 multiply 100 plus what is place value of 3? Tens. 3 into 10 plus place value of 1 is 1. So 1. So how will we write this number? 200 plus 3 into 10. 30 plus 1. What is this number? 231. So it is the expanded form of this number. So always remember it is ones value, it is tens, it is hundreds. Okay. So like this one we can represent any number. So 705, 6. So it is ones value. It is tens. Next is hundreds. Okay, hundreds. Okay, so it means 7 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Then you will write 700 plus 50 plus 6. So it is 750. So it is we already learned now, but sometimes we went in market. Whenever you go to market and whenever we ask to shopkeeper what is its price, and on the packet also we will observe that the sometimes the price is written on the any product is 6. Suppose I ask you what is the rate, this one, the shopkeeper say it is rate 5.50 like this one. Maybe sometimes 6, this one now 67.55. So now what is their place value? So this point is called decimal. It is called a decimal. Either you can say it's point, but it is in generally it is a decimal. Okay, decimal. So same as it is, everyone know. Suppose 27.54. Everyone know if I write any number, it is ones value. Its place value is, so it is ones always. It is ones, because sometimes write like 0.00 27. Either you write 27 or you write 27.00. Both are same. So it means ones value is 7 and it is tens value. And after decimal what we will say? So always remember it is called, it is ones. So after ones is 10. So it is, don't say tens, it is tens. Tens, and it is tenth. Tenth, and it is hundredth. Okay, same as it is we can write in expanded form. These number is also. How will we write? Look at like this one. 2 place value of 2 is tens. 2 into 10 plus place value of 7 into 1. Now plus, now before this one you have to learn. Always remember tens mean 2 multiply 10, and tenth mean beta, tenth mean 5, tenth mean 1 by 10. Tens mean 10 and tenth mean 1 by 10th. It means 1 is out of 10 equal parts. So it means we will write 5 into 10 and hundredth mean 1 by 100. So same as it is, we can write place value. So what is the place value of 5? 10th. 10th means 1 upon 10 plus place value of 4 plus 4 into 1 by 100. So like this one, you can write 2 into 2, 20 plus 7 plus 5 into 1, 5 divided by 10 plus 4 into 1, 4 by 100. So like this one you can write. So now 20 plus 7, so it means 20 plus 7 plus. Now how will we write this one? Always remember how many 0 in denominator? 1 0. This means we can write after decimal is only 1 digit. So 0.5. Same as it is. How many 0 in denominator? There is how many 0? 2 0. So after decimal is 2 digit. But 2 digit it means, but here is only 1 digit. So for is 0 and then we will write 4. 0.04. We can write like this. Okay. So always remember one thing. After decimal, suppose like this one 275 435. It is 10th. Place value is 10th. 10th means 1 upon 10. It is 100. 100th means 1 is out of 100. And it is 1000. 1000th. It means 1 upon 1000. And on the left side of decimal it is ones. Ones mean 1. It is tens. Tens mean multiply by 10. And 100. It is 100. Hundreds mean multiply. So like this one we can write in expanded form. So this one we already learned in 6th class. So now we are going to start our exercise. Look at now. First question of 8.1. Okay. To write first is I know everyone can write. Other whether I am writing here now also tens. It is tens. Tens given. Next is ones given. It is ones, and next is given 10th. It is 10th. We has to write in tables. What is tables? It is table. Table is we have to write 100. 100 mean 100 like this one. Next is tens. Tens mean 10. Ones 1. After ones on right side 10th. 1 upon 10. Next is only till here given. So first is, so we have to find 100. How many 100 is given? No. So 0. Tens. How 0? Tens how many given? There is 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. Ones only 1. And tenth is how much given? To 2. Okay. We have to fill the table. Okay. We have given one more part. You will do yourself. Okay. 1 by 10. Same as it is. B part you can write. We can observe in book. In B part, hundreds. How much given 100? Only 1. How many tens is given? 1. And how many ones is given? Ones is 0. And how many tenth? Tenth is given 4. Tenth is given 4. So it is the first question. Okay. Now second question. So it was the first question. Now second question we will do. And I'm writing here 100. 100 means 1 upon 100. Then question number 2 given. Write the following decimal in place value table. So it is the second 19.4. We have to write in place value table. It is called place value table. So 100 is given. So it is ones given. It is tens. So 100 is not given. 0 now. Tens is 1. Ones 9. And tenth is how much is 4 or 100 is 0. So like this one you can write all the place value you can show that in the place value table. Okay, so this one you can write. And next is one more D part 205 point any number is given 9 is given I think 1 second. Yes, it is given 205.9. So we have to show 100 2 tens 0 ones 5. Now 10th is 9 and 100 not given. It is 0. You can write. So it is a place value table. So rest do more part you will write yourself. Okay. Next is one more. Write each of the following as decimal. So A. So first part is third question 7. We have to write in decimal. Okay, 7 10th. Before this one, before start the question 3, we have to learn some more. Look at, suppose if I write 25.7. So what is the place value? So we will write, it is place value of 2. So we will write 2 tens. Yes, because it is tens, it is ones, it is tenth part. So how will we represent in expanded form? Look at, so it is, we will write 2 into 10 plus ones 5 into 1 plus 7 into 10th 1 upon 10. So it means what we can write? It is 2. So it means place value is 2 and how much place value of 2? Tens. So 2 tens. So 2 tens mean 2 into 2 tens mean 2 into 10. Same as it is. Plus what is the place value of 5 is ones. So we can write 5 ones. So we will write 5 1. Five ones plus it is 7 and it is what is its place values 10th 7 10th like this one we will write. So same as it is 7 tenths or 7 tenth. It is 7 tenth. So 7 multiply 10th mean 1 upon 10. So 7 into 1 7 divide by 10. How many 0 in denominator? 1 0. It means after decimal only 1 digit. And what is 0? So 0.7. So you can write like this one. Okay. Next is one more part. Suppose we will write C part 14.6. 14.6. What I already told you. Either you will say it's decimal or you will say that it's a point. So 14 point. So 14 this one. Point mean decimal and 6 14.6. It is your answer. Point or decimal. Next is D part 100. 100s. 100 and 2 ones. So we have to write 1. Yes, into 100. Hundreds mean 100 place value, and mean plus. So and ones, 2 into ones is 1. So we will write like this one now. 1 into 100, 100 plus 2 into 1, 2. So what is 102? Otherwise you can write 102, and after decimal, if you will put 0, 0, 0, how many 0? Countless 0 you can put, answer will be not a change. So you can write item on this one, either you can write 1, 0. This one, both are right, okay? Either you can put 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0. Answer will not a change, okay? The next is question number 4. Now we will do question number 4, okay? Question number 4. Question number 4. Write each of the following as decimals. So 5, write each of the in decimal. So first is A part, we will write. So 5 upon 10. So 5 upon 10 mean. So what we will write? Here is the two method. First is very simple. How many 0 in? How many 0 in denominator? 1. So it means after decimal only one digit, and one digit is 5. So 0.5. Or you can write like this one also. 5 upon 10. So it means 1 upon 10 mean 10th. So it means you can write 5. 10th. So 5 into 10th. So 5 into 1. 5 into 10. 5. So it means 5 into 1 by 10. So it means 5 into the 0.5. Yes, because what is place value of 5? Place value of 5 is 10th. 1 to 10th. So how will you write 10th? 10th is always after decimal. So what is 5 place? Place value of 5 is 5 10th. So like this one you can write. Okay. Next is C part. Okay. C part 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1 by it is given 1 upon 10. Okay. Okay. So what we will do? It mean 200. So it mean you can write 200. 100. It is 60. It means 6 tens. Yes, 6 into tens. Yes. So you can write so 2 into 100 plus 6 into 10. It means 5 place value 5 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 10. Okay. So we will write. So it means what is place value of 2? Hundreds. So hundreds. Place value of 6? Tens. So it is. Suppose it is decimal. It is place value ones. Ones is 5. Tens value 6. It is 2. And after 1 into. So place value of 1 is 10th. So 1 to 265 into 10. Otherwise you can solve like this one also. 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1 upon 10. So what is 200? So first we will add this one. 5. So 200 plus 60 plus 5. What is it? It is 562. So 265 plus 1 upon 10. So 265. Okay. So now after decimal, how many 0? How many 0 in denominator? Only 1 0. So after put decimal, after how many decimal, how many number we will write? So after decimal only 1 digit. After decimal only 1 digit because 1 0. So 0.1. So we will write so 265 plus 0.1. So we will write point, and after point is 1 and 5 6 2. Okay. You can add like this one. Here is decimal 0 because after if any number and after decimal if we put 0, answer will not change. So it is 0. Always decimal in one line, straight line. 0.9. So 1.562. So like this one. Okay. Otherwise you can write like this. Okay. Next is one more part from the question number 4 is which one? G पर G, तो 2 upon 3 upon 2, yes, 3 upon 2. Yes, everyone know, if in decimal, suppose I write 5 divided by 100, if all are 0, give how many 0? 2 0. It means after decimal 2 digit will come. So first one digit is already given, one is 0 and one is 5. So 0.005. So it means we need in denominator is zeros. So same as it is. So tell me what number you will multiply, then in the downside become 0. Yes, either 10 become, either 100 become. If suppose 75 divided by 10, how many 0 in denominator? 1. So it means after decimal only one digit. So it means it is decimal, and what is come? 5 and 7. 7.5. Same as it is. So it means we want to make in the denominator either 100 or into 10. So what number you multiply, then it become 10. So 5 into 5. So 15 upon 5. So what is come? The answer is 15 divided by 10. How many 0 in denominator? 1. So after decimal only one digit. So one digit, after decimal one digit. That is our answer. Okay. So 1.5. So always remember, whenever 0 is not given in denominator, we will try to make 0 in denominator by equivalent fraction. One more K part. K part 4 and 1 by 2. So it is a mixed fraction. Either you can solve in first in improper fraction. How will you write improper fraction? Whole is 4. Whole is multiplied denominator. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 2 into 4, 8 plus numerator divided by denominator. So what is 2 into 4, 8 plus 1 divided by 2. What is 9 upon 2. So same as it is. Here is not 0 in, we observe here is 2 in denominator, but we want to make 10 or 100. So what number you will multiply by 2, then it become 10. So 2, 5, 45 into 2. So 45. How many 0 in denominator? 1. So it means after decimal only one digit. So 45. So decimal, after decimal, how many digits? Only 1. It is your answer. Okay. Next is last question of today. Question number 5. Yes, write the following decimal as fraction and reduce the fraction to lowest form. Everyone know lowest form or simplest form is same. Okay. First is A part 0.6. So it is. So first it is decimal form. We will write in fraction. After decimal, how many digit is 1? So it means there is 1 0 in denominator. 6 by 10. So it means 6 tenth. Okay. And simplest form 2 3 are 2 5. What is answer? 3 upon 5. Simplest form means no common factor in numerator and denominator. One more. Suppose F part F part is 21.2. Yes, after decimal how many digit? 1. So therefore 1 0 in denominator. What is common factor? Can we cut by 2? Yes, 2 5 ja. 2 1 ja. So remove, divide 2 1. So 2 1 ja 2. Remainder is 0. Now 1. 1 is smaller than 2. So it is 0. Now next is 2. 2 6 ja 12. Everyone know how to divide? So 1 0 6. Okay. So what is answer? Can we cut by 5? No. So what is answer? 106 by 5. So like this one, we can do question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So try to these two questions, everyone. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.